Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's recipe is a firm family favourite. It's the 15s and it's traditionally from Northern Ireland. The reason it's called 15s is because you have 15 digestive biscuits, 15 large marshmallows, 15 glassy cherries, you have condensed milk, and we have desiccated coconut. I couldn't get large marshmallows, so I had to use small ones. Cut the glassy cherries into quarters. Now we'll take our digestive biscuits and we'll throw them into the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, just put them into a bag and using a rolling pin, just beat them until they're a fine crumb. Now once these are mixed, we'll just put them into a bowl. This is probably the simplest recipe you'll ever make. Then we'll add our marshmallows. Like I said, if you can get large marshmallows, just cut them into quarters. Then we'll take our glassy cherries, which we've already cut into quarters. Then we'll add our condensed milk. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like them, subscribe and share with all your friends. It helps me make more videos for you. And if you think of anything that you want me to make, just drop a comment in the section below. Give it a really good mix round until everything is incorporated. As you can see, I have a 2-year-old who really fancies getting into this bowl, but we're not letting him. Now just take our mixture, squish it all together. It won't come together at the minute because it is quite dry. Get it all out onto the chopping board or onto your bench and just roll it into a sausage shape. Just make sure you get everything in together as much as you can. As I say, we're going to pop this in the fridge so it will harden up. Again, watch for the fingers stealing the bits of biscuits. Now that we have it into a sausage shape, we're just going to put some cling film onto the bench and we're going to sprinkle over the top of that the desiccated coconut. Now take your 15 mixture, just roll it round, make sure that it's all covered with coconut. Now we're going to use the cling film and we're going to wrap it up like a sausage roll. As you can see, the paws are in again, this time that the coconut. The child just doesn't understand the words no. So now that we've got that rolled up, we're going to pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours just to let it harden up. Now after a couple of hours, as you can see, it's firmed up, so we're just going to cut it. So this is great with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, just as a treat for someone coming around. You can see the marshmallows, the cherries, the digestive biscuits, and it's all wrapped up in coconuts outing. Now folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.